Hi, I'm Specialist Basye and I'm a nutrition care specialist, here to give you just a few tips on how to make possibly an extended hotel stay a little bit more livable, whether you're on PCS, TDY, things of that nature. We all know if we're staying in a hotel for a long time, typically that means spending a lot of money and not eating very healthy. So I have some ways to combat that. The first thing I want to mention is just some equipment that you can bring with you to help make your stay a little bit easier, flow a little bit nicer, and have more options as far as food goes. So the first one is just simply a water bottle. It's going to save you money, so you're not having to continuously buy plastic continuously all the time. This, you can obviously reuse it, comes in handy for sure. The second thing I want to show you that would be really useful to have as far as having more options would be a cutting board, and then you can also pair that with a paring knife. So that's going to make it easier when it comes to cutting maybe vegetables, fruit, protein, things like that. Additionally, we have reusable utensils, so it's both obviously a fork, knife, and spoon. It's much better than plastic. Again, going to save you a lot of money. You can continuously reuse it over and over and over. If space provides, you can also even bring a blender. This is going to widen the amount of foods that you can make. You can make, salad dressings in here, smoothies, things like that. You're gonna have a lot more options being able to bring something like a blender. And then we just have a few storage things as well. So these are reusable snack holders. Instead of Ziploc baggies and things like that. You can reuse these over and over. Again, gonna be a big money saver. And then these Tupperware is gonna keep food fresh for longer. Again, reuse it over and over. Again, a money saver. In situations where maybe you can't bring something like this, a blender, something like that, we do have some tips, different things that you can buy in situations where maybe you just have a microwave or just have a refrigerator. I got a few things. First, we got some tuna. Comes in a package, super sustainable, comes in a lot of different flavors, so you have some variety. Also, it's difficult sometimes to get those healthy fats into our diet when sleeping in a hotel, having to stay in a hotel for a long time. So little packages of peanut butter, nuts, seeds, avocados, anything like that is going to be great. These are some olives, also a great option, packaged up. We got some different, bars, give you some energy, some good protein that you may be lacking whenever you're staying in a hotel. Then we also got, just basic applesauce, easy thing to buy, can easily put it in the refrigerator, bring it with you. You want to make sure whenever you're out shopping that you try to buy things from each group. So that's going to include fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, healthy fats. There's a lot of options for each, and you can easily pile them together in different ways to make a lot of different meal options. For more tips and videos like this, please visit hprc-online.org.